Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are creating a new Apple ID on your Mac and every time you click next, you see the message enter a valid email address to complete your profile. Don't worry, in many cases the problem is caused by a small mistake in the email field and it's very easy to fix. Let me show you how. So when you're creating a new iCloud email address, look at the email address field carefully. Here you only need to enter the username. For example, if you want your email to be johnsmith.54679@icloud.com, don't type the entire email address. Simply enter johnsmith.54679. The @icloud.com part is already added automatically by Apple, so you don't need to type it yourself. After entering only the username, click next and your Apple ID setup should continue normally. That's how you can fix the enter a valid email address to complete your profile error while creating an Apple ID on your Mac. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Apple tips and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.